I'll guide you through using Chime SpotMe Overdraft without worrying about hidden banking fees or transaction declines at the register. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Chime SpotMe Overdraft is a fee-free overdraft service that covers you when you spend more than what's in your account, allowing you to complete purchases or ATM withdrawals up to a personalized limit. To use it, open the Chime app and head to the Profile tab to look for the Chime Plus badge at the top of your account details to confirm you have Chime Plus status. This status is automatically unlocked once you receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more within 34 days. Also, you have to activate your physical Chime Visa debit card or credit builder card, as SpotMe requires an active physical card to be enabled. And select SpotMe to access your enrollment settings. Once you are qualified, toggle the Overdraw fee-free switch to the on position to authorize Chime to cover your transactions when your balance hits zero. Check your current limit, which starts at $20 and can grow to $200, to know exactly how much padding you have for your next purchase. Use your card as usual at stores, online, or even at ATMs, and SpotMe will automatically kick in to cover the difference if you exceed your available balance. Avoid using SpotMe for Venmo, Cash App, or Pay Anyone transfers, as these specific transaction types are not covered by the overdraft service. To manually cap your overdraft spending and maintain better control over your budget, adjust your safe limit slider right within this same SpotMe Hub. When you receive your next deposit, Chime will automatically apply those funds to your negative balance to bring your account back to zero with no interest or fees charged. To temporarily increase your limit using SpotMe Boosts, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.